All right, this is the plan for the auxiliary circuit in the Humvees. So we got a battery. All right, let's just pretend it's one battery, and we ground the negative terminal, and it's plus 24 volts. Right. So this part of it goes over to a switch right here. We have the off position, and we've got two other positions. We're going to call this accessories. We're going to call this run. I found these chalk Easter eggs, by the way. They're pretty cool. All right. Now, also, we have just the battery, not from the switch, right? Because this is a low amperage circuit meant to turn on other things down the road. And this already goes to the truck, so that it can run. Right? There's also a start position, but we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to call this run. Okay. So what we want to do, there's a cable that goes right into the truck, right in the middle of it. So this is going to be our power, and it's going to go into a relay at terminal 30. All right, and then out here, there's going to be terminal 87. Let me make sure that's right. Okay, that's right. And then, wait, hold on. Okay, and this same thing has terminal 86. I should write the numbers on the outside. 86 and 85. I think these are opto relays. So this has like a little thing, a resistive element, right? And then it pulls on a switch. So let me just... I wish I'd written here. Oh, that's better. Well, that's way better, isn't it? Okay, so this is terminal 30. This is terminal 87. And what this does is this is a normally open switch. Hang on. Okay, that's better. So when current goes through from terminal 30, from terminal 86 to 85, or 85 to 86, I'll check the polarity, right? Then this switch closes, and now we have power, right? So this is going to go to a DC to DC converter. And we'll call this the 24 volt side. And then the 12 volt side will then have plus, minus 12 volts, as you may have imagined. And then this and this will ground to the truck frame, which is also connected to the negative terminal of the 24 volt system. Okay? So, how do we trigger this? Well, one, again, I don't remember if the polarity matters on this thing, so we'll check into that. But just say this is where the positive terminal. So the negative terminal of this is going to go straight to ground also. Okay? And then we got these two positions. We got run and we got accessories. So I thought about just leaving accessories off, but if you want to listen to music in the truck or check out the maps, plan a route using the GPS unit when we have that in there, without having the whole truck on, let's use accessories. But what would happen? So this is where the connection is going to go, right? So we could just do this, right? Connect it all up, so that way, if it's in the accessory position or the run position, this relay is on, which closes this switch, and now we've got 12 volts here, which is actually going to go to a bus. I don't need to draw a bus like that, but here, we'll put some wheels on it. All right. This is one of my really cool brothers driving it right here. He used to have a bus. All right. Anyway, so we're going to run, there's going to be a backup camera that's always on, stereo, anything else we think of, probably a phone charger, whatever. All right, so that would work, except that would make these connected, right? So then if it's in the accessory position, the voltage would also be be touching here or connected here, so it would also connect here, so it would make the run thing come on. So what we're going to do, we're going to put diodes in here. You guessed it. Okay, so now if it goes accessories is hot, it'll, enough charge will flow through here, or current will flow through here to close this switch to operate that device. Probably a diode, so it probably doesn't matter what the order is here, but close the switch. Now 12 volt bus is hot with my brother driving it, so we can run our accessories, right? And then, but there ain't gonna be no current going back that way, so when the truck's not on. And then, yeah, then if we put it to run, then it won't go back to accessories. But actually, thinking about it, hang on. Sorry about the mess. We really don't need this one, right? Because we don't. If the truck's on, accessories might as well be on, right? And they're tied together here anyway. So the only thing we want to do is be able to turn on our accessories without turning on the truck. Okay? So that's the plan for our 12 volt system in the Humvees. It's going to be really cool. And part of that scratched my chalkboard. Oh well, put another coat of paint on it. That's a plus sign. All right, so thanks for watching. This is the system. We'll be building it later today. We got all the parts. Thanks, Daddy, from Austin Daddy Doodle Doo.